Right. Vegas, we own you. So the line is so long. Our check-in line has one agent. I don't even know if we're gonna make our flight on time. It is 7:13. We made it through TSA and are checked in, and we are running to our flight. They are holding it for us, so we gotta go. We made it. We're here. We're waiting on the shuttle so that hubby can drop off his bowling balls for his tournament. We're gonna drop his balls off at South Point. Then we're gonna go check into our hotel at Planet Hollywood. Our shuttle doesn't come till 11:45, is it? 9:45. 9:45, I'm tripping. Yeah, because it's 8:30 now. So stay tuned. Day one, Vegas.
Cool looking, isn't it?
Yeah.
They can open the windows on this side, on this side. Big windows open too.
Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Man, you should see this place on game day. It is a pretty lot.
Is it?
Oh, really, honey?
Not about the Jabberwocky now. This is as close as I'm gonna get to ever seeing the Statue of Liberty.
Oh, it's not.
Because I've been asking my husband to bring me to see you forever, ma'am. We are checked in and we are on our way to our room.
On the way. Can't wait to get
And
there.
you guys, we did the 20. This ain't it?
Next bank. That's what
We did the $20 trick for an upgraded room. Let's see what we get. 36th floor. I'm gonna give honey the key.
All right, all right, all right.
Walk in and see what we got going. Now, let's see, because honey got excited in here about something. This is it. Oh, we got a little sofa. Okay, little Planet Hollywood sofa. A mirror. Make sure you're fresh. Ironing board. Here go the tray for your luggage to set on. You're gonna stay a while because we're staying 4 days. Got a safe. Oh, the safe is locked. So, in the drawer. You have to fix that safe because that's where all our money gonna go. This is kind of hard to close. See that big screen TV? Oh, well, you can't open that unless the closet's closed, so. Got a fridge. This room's not clean. Not clean at all. Look at the top of this. Look at that. That's not. Alright, my phone died. So here's this. Let's see. This is what we need to see. Now this is nice. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty. When the lights come on and the water show come, this is nice. I think so far this is probably my best. What I like about it. My best feature. Oh, you can see the pool over there with the people there. At the Cosmo. It's nice. Got a nightstand with a little night light. See what's in here.